Good morning. This is kind of my little makeshift corner of the classroom. Today we're doing a lesson on weather. I don't have a PowerPoint projector, so I'm using my laptop and a flat screen in order to work with the students on this unit. What makes up weather? Weather can be observed, described, measured, and recorded. How do we measure temperature? Summer, do you know how temperature is measured? No? Kira, do you? With the thermometer. Very good. The sun is an engine that produces the Earth's temperature. And depending on the time of the year and our distance from the equator, we receive either more or less of the sun's heat. Who knows what the equator is? Kira? Okay, it's kind of an imaginary line around the center of the Earth. Very good. For example, there are other things that, besides the sun, that affect temperature, such as the air in the mountains is cooler than the air at sea level. Coastal areas, like living in Galveston, down along the Texas coast, often have milder climates year-round. Inland on the continents, like in, say, Minnesota or Kansas, they actually have bigger differences in their temperatures between the summer and the winter. Wind and humidity. Who knows what humidity is? Kira? Moisture in the air. Very good. They greatly affect our sense of heat and cold. Usually the harder the wind blows, the colder the temperature feels. Humidity can make a difference in the temperature, make it feel either hotter or colder, depending upon the time of the year. Temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness that can be measured using a thermometer, just like Kira said. Here's some examples of thermometers, and if you look here, I have one up here. I'm going to go ahead and pass around for you to look at. You can see there's two different readings on the thermometer. You see the degree F and the degree C. Fahrenheit and Celsius, very good. As you get older, you'll learn how to do conversions between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. Looking at this picture here, do you think it's going to be hot or cold weather?
Hot.
Very good. It's probably either warm or hot outside, or they wouldn't be wearing bathing suits there.
77 degrees.
Okay. Is this one hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold. Very good. Is this one warm or cool?
Warm. Warm.
Warm. These guys are out playing on the beach. If it was cold outside, they probably all have shorts on. What about this little young lady here? Do you think it's cold? She's laying down, making a snow angel in the snow. Okay, we're going to look at the thermometer. I know everybody can't see this one up close, so if you look here right in the center, there's a little line that is going to show where the temperature reading is. Kira, can you look at that one and tell me what degrees Celsius it is?
32.
Celsius.
Oh.
0. Summer, can you tell me the Fahrenheit?
32.
About 32. Very good. It's a little hard to read on this one. Kira, can you give me the Fahrenheit temperature on this one? Look at the bottom and look. You should be looking on the side with the degrees Fahrenheit. That would be the green side.
56.
55, 56, it's right in the middle there. What do you think that is temperature in Celsius, Summer?
15.
Well, it's a little bit lower than halfway. You're looking at the Fahrenheit side. Look between the 10 and the 20. It's a little bit closer to the 10, so that one's about 12 or 13 degrees Celsius. Okay, this one's a little bit easier. This one's how you'd actually read a thermometer. They don't have the little guides on them. You look at the red part in the center, and that's how you tell what the temperature is. Summer, this time you give me the degrees Fahrenheit. 100, very good. Kira, can you give me the degrees in Celsius on this one? 38, very good. Alright. What we're going to be doing now is moving more into our hands-on section. It's going to be our lab time. I've got some thermometers set up with some cups out over in the lab, and we're going to get 3 cups. What we're going to discuss is how different the temperature is affected by its environment. We're going to put 1 cup, it's just going to be a blank cup, and it's going to have a thermometer in it with nothing else in it. What do you think that's going to measure the temperature? That's just good. There's nothing in the cup. We measure the temperature of the air with nothing else in there. Then we're going to take a second cup, and we're going to put some water in it. And we're going to see how the temperature changes or doesn't change, and stick the thermometer in the water. And the last one we're going to do is a cup with some sand in it. This is kind of going to tell us the temperature of what it'd be like on the beach. What we're going to do is we're going to set up our lab, stick the thermometers in each one. We're going to wait about 3 minutes, get a reading, and then we're going to put it up in the windowsill for about 25 minutes. And while that 25 minutes is passing, we're going to hypothesize about the possible changes. Who knows what hypothesize is? Summer? Guessing. We're going to make a good scientific guess on what temperatures that we're going to see changing, and which one we think is going to be hotter, colder, stay the same, and just see what the variance is on that. If you can go ahead and go to the lab, we'll get our cups and everything, and we'll start our experiment. That concludes this presentation. I certainly appreciate everybody for watching my video, and y'all have a blessed day. Thank you. Okay, this is a continuation of my lesson plan. Didn't get a good video shot of the PowerPoints. I wanted to show them. This one's more for notes than anything. Thank y'all very much for watching.